Come with me again for another series of house tour dito sa Lancaster New City, Cavite. So this is Chesa Model House, 2-story and one of Lancaster New City's prime single-attached homes. So let's check the delivered unit of Chesa. Chesa has lot area of 100 square meters and with the floor area of 90 square meters. Meron din siyang space for 2-car garage. As you can see, spacious ang living room, dining, and kitchen area. And later makikita din ninyo ang balcony. Si Chesa merong 1 bedroom, 1 toilet bath dito sa ground floor, while sa second floor, merong 2 bedrooms and 2 toilet bath. And yes, may sariling CR ang 2 rooms sa taas with spacious balcony. So nakikita rin natin dito na meron na tayong first coat paint, meron na ring tiles ang baba at taas ng Chesa. So it depende na lang kung papaano nyo pagagandahin or i-improve ang Chesa once na turn over sa inyo ang unit. And by the way, Lancaster is located in Cavite, pinakamalapit sa Manila na housing project na nag-o-offer ng affordable financing scheme. 21 kilometers to 30 kilometers or 20 to 45 minutes away lang from MOA or NAIA via Cavitex. Ito rin ang biggest affordable township project sa buong Cavite. So if you are planning to start your investment, Ira Single Attached has 40,000 reservation only. Just call or message me for more information and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you! Enjoy watching!